are relevant in Texas actually. So let's look at something that's common between Texas and SharePoint. So we'll just see some common features within Texas SharePoint in terms of size, landscape, climate, and growth, even though it's like none of them have any commonality between them in terms of the context. But let's try to get some information of that. Okay, Texas is huge, really huge. I mean, people from Northeast or somewhere are here. You can see how big it is. You can travel all day from one end to another end and still be in Texas. It's not the case in the Northeast, actually. We probably have covered like 10 states by that time. So, in terms of area, California and Nevada, Texas is actually bigger than them. Or it's actually equivalent to many of those states that put together. So in terms of area, Texas is pretty big. So what about SharePoint? It's huge too. It's not like just there's only one feature in SharePoint. If you get into SharePoint, it's going to be a little bit difficult in the beginning to see what it really can do. Like so many things it can do actually. It can create sites, integration with Office, search is separate feature by itself, as you can see in Pat's presentation. Content management, document management. Recently, social media is actually doing a lot of stuff. SharePoint is doing a lot of stuff in social media. SharePoint app model is just growing. Landscape. I lived in New York initially, and when I was trying to move from there to over here, people told me, "Why are you going to a desert?" And it's like a kind of misconception because it's not just desert. You have like several different regions, at least 5 different regions in Texas, like prairies, grasslands, forests, and coastline. We have some beaches as good as probably one beach, as good as the one in California, the one in South Carolina. You can go there. And a lot of people think SharePoint is a Microsoft add-on actually, but it's not that. I mean, you're using it for document management mostly in intranets in your offices, but it can do a lot more than that. It's a good content management. It has a good security features in it built in. It can hook up to Active Directory with not much really configuration at all. It can do a lot of stuff. So SharePoint is a very, very landscape over there. Climate, again, it's Texas considered dry. It actually has 10 different climatic regions. That's what Texas for you. I mean, there are places where it's pretty dense in the eastern parts of Texas and totally dry when you drive towards the western part of Texas. Similarly, SharePoint is a lot used as document management solution, but it has much more than that: business intelligence or identity management. PowerShell. I mean, administrators can spend their lifetime on just creating new PowerShells and stuff and have a lot of fun with it actually. E-discovery and My Sites and SharePoint apps, it's something new actually in 2013. It's really very interesting that you can create applications just using a browser. I don't know if some of you might have heard of Napa tools. Just the browser, you can get some things done. Finally, growth. Texas is growing at a phenomenal rate. I mean, like cities like Austin, Dallas have exploded like in the last 10 years, and same thing with SharePoint too. 2007 was pretty good. 2010 is like boomed, and 2013 is also going to be a lot of stuff over there. So that's about it. So we saw the SharePoint as Texas style. Now let's look at Texas.gov in SharePoint style. So this is our website. We created about like 3-4 years ago, initially in 2007 and then 2010. There's a lot of information about Texas. You can go there. From there, you can go to renew your driver license, order your birth certificate, find information about the agencies. So many agencies. We are kind of like a central point for a lot of agency information. Just in one place, you can find all that stuff. And some of the things that we do: professional occupation licenses, recreational licenses like fishing or something like that. We have like so many things that we do actually here, and that's about it.
Are you a developer?